How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. So I got a 2022 Ford Maverick here. Just did a service. I'm going to reset the oil life indicator, and I thought I'd show you how to do it. Here we go. Now this is something you can do yourself without the use of a scan tool or any specialized equipment. Never reset your oil life indicator without actually doing the oil change. Now it's quite easy to do. All you're going to do is go through the instrument cluster and your control buttons here. The back, the OK, up and down, and the menu. So first step is turn your key to the on position, or if you have push button start, just press it one notch so all your indicator lights come on. Next, go through all your messages, press the OK button to get rid of them, and it brings you up to your main menu. If you look on the left hand side here, those are your icons. You can see the up and down. Use your up and down button to scroll up or down, just like this. And what you want to do is bring up the menu. You're looking for that little gear down right there. And now you want to press your menu button. That brings up this display. Use your up and down buttons. You want to highlight information and press OK. Which brings you to this menu. As you can see, we got our tire pressure highlighted there. Go down to oil life, press OK again, and reset oil life. You want to press and hold OK. Oil life reset successful. We're up to 100%. Now to get out of that menu, you use your back button, press that, keep on going until you get whatever menu you prefer. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I definitely hope it helps someone save a few bucks by changing their oil and not having to take it to a shop to get your oil life reset. Well, if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night and keep wrenching.